Hey friends, welcome. I'm Vanessa with Scrappin' It Up, and today we're going to do a real quick flip through of this wedding album that I made. It is 11 by 9, and the spine on it is 1 3, well, about 1.5, a little bit over. And the paper line that I used was Photoplay We Do. And beautiful paper to work with. There's a few pieces in it that wasn't my favorite, but overall it turned out really cute, I think. So the album has 4 pages, and it is using the Kathy Order King's Hidden Hinge for the pages. And flip it open, and I just left this blank because they may want to put, their big engagement picture here, an 8 by 10, and this album is mainly for bigger pictures and a few smaller pictures. So then we flip this open. Hopefully I'm staying, there we go. So I did add, a few 4x6s, but I mainly wanted, because they're, when you do engagement pictures and wedding pictures, most of the time they're, a lot bigger pictures. Okay, and then this flips open. You could put a picture here, journal, which is very important, and then this is a pull out here. I love this paper. Beautiful. Photoplay really done a really nice job. And there's that. This album will hold pretty close to probably about 50 to 60 pictures, just depending on the size of your pictures. So there's that. And then you've got 2 pullouts here. And I just, put the white cardstock on so that way she could choose, what photos go on here. Okay. Then those just shut up like that. And then this opens up like that. And then that. And then here's a place to put your story, when we met and where we met. And then this side here opens up. Actually, it's a pretty big album. I just left the back blank. That way she can choose what size of photos that she wants to put on. And then this opens up. And then, of course, I left that, maybe a wedding picture. I just left both those, engagement picture, wedding photo, just, totally up to them. There's the back of it, and there's the spine. So that is my wedding album that I done with the Photoplay paper. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little flip through of this album, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to me so you never miss out. Okay, you guys have a great day, and talk to you guys later. Happy scrapping.